This video is all about drone photos and why you need to look out for these tips when you're going out there taking photos. So let's jump into it. My first point is about shots and about getting shots in places you can't get to. So drones are really handy because you can fly them up really high and get to places where you couldn't otherwise get to on foot, like a cave or a building. You know, you can see the top of the building. So this is a top tip when you're out there. Look for places you couldn't necessarily get to when you're on the ground. That point ties into my next point, and what this one is about access to different areas. Now, if you're a real estater, or you need to look at houses or places that you can get to, you've got access to this area now with a drone, so you can take photos of roofs or areas you may need to survey. So getting access to places with a drone is fantastic. Now, a drone can bring you perspective, a different perspective than a normal camera like this camera I'm shooting this video on right here. You can get up high, you can look down. It has a complete different dynamic to a camera on the ground, and that's why I think you should use it. Like the top down shot is one of my favorite shots. Just the bird's eye looking directly down on your subject. I think that's fantastic, and you couldn't get it any other time other than with a drone. So make use of those unique angles and perspectives. Thank you for joining me on this video. I hope you like where I am in sunny Menorca on holiday, but I thought I'd take a break from a holiday and film a video for you guys because it's just giving me loads of inspiration when I'm out here. So that is why I'm filming this video out in this lovely, beautiful country, and hopefully have a bit more of a tan than I normally do. Now, these last 2 points are all for the solo shooters out there. If you don't have a tripod to hold the camera up, you can use a drone. You can get it out there and it can take a photo of you. You don't need to lug around a tripod with you anymore. You can just use a drone because they're static, they're stable, and you can take great photos of yourself or of anybody else. And now this ties on to my final point, and that is you don't need anybody else there to take a photo for you. You can do it for yourself with the drone. You don't need a photographer. You can just do it yourself. You want to get a photo of you on top of the mountain or paddleboarding or wherever, you can get a photo of it on the drone that is in the air tracking you or following you, or you can even do it manually. So that is what I think having a drone and drone photography is so different to normal photography, and it's a whole other different ball game than when you're going out shooting with a DSLR. And I know the quality isn't as good as a photo like a camera like this. However, you get a different perspective that you wouldn't get in any other circumstance. So that's why I think the quality doesn't really matter. It just is about the unique shots you can get. So that's why I think drone photography is so much fun to do, and that's why I think you should go out and do more of it if you've got it. You don't just have to record on a drone. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you found the information useful, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. I've also made another video about drone tips that if you'd like to check out, I'll leave up in the description or in the link above. And if you want to check that out and improve your drone skills, dive into that one as well. But don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, thumb it up button, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bells if you want to see more content like this in the future. Oh, my water bottle just fell off the other side. But yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.